Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? Will you all well? Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Annisa Rahmadhani. My last student number is 31. In this occasion, I will present about global warming. In this presentation, I will say a few things. The first is definition. The second is global warming process. The third is cause of global warming. The fourth is global warming impact. And the fifth is how to prevent global warming. Let's look at the first material. The first material is definition. From NASA, global warming is the increase in the temperature of the Earth over its surface due to increasing level of greenhouse gases. There is also another definition. Global warming is an increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere that causes climate change and which may arise from the greenhouse effect. The second material is global warming process. The process of global warming begins with solar radiation. There are several gases in the Earth's atmosphere that are in charge of holding this heat. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Some of these gases are referred to as greenhouse gases, which include water vapor, carbon dioxide, ozone, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases work as a blanket that protects the Earth. The increase in average temperature of the Earth's surface occurs due to the increase in greenhouse gas emission. That is what causes global warming, which causes change in the Earth's ecosystem, such as extreme climate change. The next material is cause of global warming. There are several cases that cause global warming. The first is industrial gases. Gases from industry will cause air pollution, mainly because the factory smoke is excessive and not accommodate property. There are carbon dioxide gas, carbon monoxide, methane gas, and so on. The second is forest narrowing. Forest land is very important for living things. Forests are the lung of the world that should be protected. Narrowing process will make the weather worse. Without forests, nothing helps convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. This will then have an impact on increasingly distributed breathing. The impact, air pollution, will occur. The third is gasoline fuel. The free use of gasoline can also cause global warming. For example, gasoline used in cars and motorbikes. The fourth is methane pollution. Methane gas is one of the gases that causes global warming. This gas ranks second in environmental destruction. Methane gas comes from organic material, especially related to the breakdown of bacteria in agriculture, plantation, and animal husbandry. Methane is a greenhouse gas. Where it can trap heat in the atmosphere, methane is emitted during coal, natural gas, and oil production activities. The fifth is plastic waste. The next case of global warming comes from human activities. One of them is pile of plastic waste that is uncontrollable, causing environmental pollution. The sixth is carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide gas can cause global warming. This gas is closely related to human activities, especially if this human activities is related to use of motorized vehicles. This carbon monoxide gas will be released by motorcycle vehicle and cause pollution. The seventh is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect could be the cause of global warming. This is due to the trap effect to heat reflection to the Earth's surface, mainly trapped by gas in the atmosphere layer. The next material is the impact of global warming. The first is Earth temperature rise. The first impact of global warming is the increase of Earth temperature. Based on observations, 2050 is said to be the hottest years in history. The increase of geothermal waves is also expected to continue in the following years. Even the increase in Earth temperature can be predicted to reach 54 degrees Celsius. Second is sea level rise. In addition to the temperature of the Earth getting warmer, global warming conditions also have an impact of rising sea levels. In this case, increasing Earth temperature causes glaciers and ice sheets around the world to melt. The third is extreme weather. And the impact of global warming also affects weather conditions that are increasingly out of control. Various events due to extreme weather are also happening more frequently, starting from forest fire, drought to fall that hit big cities around the world. Some of these conditions have occurred in recent years. The fourth is increased temperature and acidity of seawater. The impact of global warming is the increase in temperature and acidity of seawater. In this case, the ocean absorbs most of the heat caused by carbon dioxide gas. This is what causes the ocean to become warmer and more acidic. The last material is how to prevent global warming. The first is buy energy efficient items. Home appliances now come in a variety of energy efficient models. Call it an LED lamp, which is designed to provide a more natural looking light using much less energy than a standard light bulb. Second is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are simple steps to reduce global warming. The third is be a wiser buyer. Shop smarter with wise purchase to minimize waste. Use environmentally friendly products from manufacturers that also support environmental sustainability. Fourth is reduce personal motorcycle use. Less driving in private vehicle means less emissions. Apart from saving on gas, walking and cycling are healthy forms of exercise. That's all from me. I hope this material can increase knowledge about global warming and we can reduce it. Take care of our earth. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.